Hey guys, Jace Foster here, Pollard Ford. Want to thank you for taking the time today to check out this video. If you have any questions, give us a call or come and see us South Loop 29 in Indiana.
Make a great choice today with the 2018 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, front license plate bracket, steering wheel controls. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Pollard, we make owning a new Ford affordable.